Hello, welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the RTL8821 CE Wi-Fi drivers working with elementary OS. Now, I realize this is very specific and isn't for everyone. It's only for people that have this kind of Wi-Fi card. But if you do happen to have one of these Wi-Fi drivers, typically they come with cheaper mini desktop PCs, then this will help you get your Wi-Fi up and running. So as you can see in my demo, my Wi-Fi isn't working. So in order to be able to install the Wi-Fi driver, you will need a working internet connection, which may seem like a chicken and egg scenario. I do have a video that shows you 3 ways to connect to the internet if you don't have a working Wi-Fi driver. Linked in this video. Essentially, you can use an Ethernet cable, you can use USB phone tethering, or you can use a Wi-Fi dongle. This video requires the use of the terminal, so click on Applications and start typing in the word terminal, and then click on the icon when it appears. We need to install a few applications, so follow what I'm typing on the screen here. Essentially, you need to type sudo space apt space install space bc space module-assistant space build-essential space dkms, and then press return. Depending on your internet connection and where you're installing to, this may take a few minutes to run. If you've got a fast PC, it'll take seconds, and on a slower PC, it'll take minutes. Don't worry, just let it run. It'll download the files, and then it'll start installing and preparing them. Just wait until you get back to the command. In order to be able to install the drivers, we need to install Git. So type sudo space apt space install space git, press return. In order to install the drivers, we need to download the actual driver from GitHub. So to do that, type git space clone space https://github.com/Thomas Pinho/RTL8821CE.git. Now follow the instructions as it is on the screen. It may seem a bit weird that we're downloading the driver from a private GitHub account, but this is actually the recommended solution, as suggested on the elementary forums. When the Git repository is cloned, you need to cd into the folder. So to do that, type cd space RTL8821CE as shown on the screen. Now type sudo space m-a space prepare as shown on the screen. MA is a module assistant, and it is the command line tool for handling module source packages that have been prepared for the Debian distribution. In all cases, when a message pops up asking whether you are sure you want to continue, just press Y and return. Finally, type sudo space /dkms-install.sh and press return key as shown on the screen. This will install the Wi-Fi driver, and when this is complete, you can then reboot your computer and you can disconnect the other method you were using to run your Wi-Fi, such as an Ethernet cable or a dongle or your phone. I've now rebooted my machine, and as you can see, when I click on the network icon, I can see my Wi-Fi networks. And that is the end of the video. If you like this video, I know it's fairly specific to certain use cases, but if you did, click the like button and click subscribe for more videos from Everyday Linux User. Thank you for watching.